This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, dusk-sensing headlights, automatic locking wheel hubs, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.